Okay, now. So good afternoon again. And today we are going to talk about the formatting the worksheet. We are going to talk about how to do the formatting. Okay. So what is the meaning of the formatting? Formatting means, as we already discussed regarding the formatting in LibreOffice Writer, and at that time I told you that formatting is used means we are going to change the color, style, font, these things of a text. So here also, because the cell is the basic components of the Microsoft Excel, and that is used to store the data or any type of data we are going to store in that cell. So sometimes we need to do the formatting, and we can do the formatting with the help of the formatting toolbar, or you can do the formatting with the help of the cell formatting windows. So we can use the format cell dialog box also, and through that we can do the different types of the formatting. And how you will open the format cell dialog box? For that you have to click on the format and select the cell option under the format menu. Okay, or you can do this through the context menu also. Context menu, do you know, whenever you are making a right click, a menu is appear on your window, and that is known as the context menu. Okay, so by right clicking you will get this, and inside this you will see the format cell option is there. So now okay, so look at this, what the formatting we have to do, what types of the different types of the formatting we are going to do. Okay, so the first thing that is called font. The first thing that is called font means we need to change the font, apply the different types of the font on a worksheet, and for that purpose we are using the font options. The another thing, you can change the size of the font. That is, this means we want to write the cell value in a different size. Another thing, you can make the bold. You can convert the text as a bold, selected text as a bold, you can make it. Okay. Next, you can make the selected text as a italic. Okay. You can underline the text. Okay. Underline the selected text. You can change the alignment of the text, left, center, right, increase decimal places and decrease decimal places. So these are the different types of the formattings are available here. Okay, this is the general formatting. So now I'm going to open the LibreOffice Calc. It's already opened here. And look, suppose I'm selecting this cell. I'm going to change the font size. So I can do this by selecting this option. Rahul, you're not supposed to unmute. Mute yourself, Rahul.
Sorry, sir.
Who's Rahul? Rahul? Okay, so now we are going to change the font. So simply you select this and you click at this font options and you can change the font here. Next, you can change the size of the text. By this point, you can just select the cell, go on this option and you can change. You can make the cell bold. If you want to make it bold, you can make it bold. You can italic, underline, you can change the color. So these are the basic formatting tools which we can use to change the formatting. We can do the different types of the formatting here. This is the left align, center align, this is the right align, this is the left align. Okay, and this is the align top, and it will be visible whenever you increase the height of the cell, and then you are able to understand this. This is the align top, this is the align in middle, and this is the align in bottom, and this is the center align. There's two types of the alignment. One is called horizontal and second is called vertical. Actually, this is the vertical alignment. These three are the vertical alignment and these three are the horizontal alignment. You can increase the decimal point here. You can click at this format and number and look the decimal points. You can just change the formatting of this. Increasing of decimal point can be done through this add decimal places, and you can remove the decimal places by clicking on this. Okay, and this is the changing the number. You, if you want to write the number in a percentage sign, you can use this symbol. It will convert and apply the percentage symbol there. If you want to remove, you can remove this. And if you want to do the formatting as a currency, I told you last time also, so you can show the currency here also. So this is the one of the options. Okay, these are the formatting option. Now this is the indent and this is the box and this is the boundary line of the box. You can change the border style. Right now there is no border style is there. So I'm clicking at this and now I'm clicking on this option, first option, second option, and then I'm going to click on the different border options here. So look at this, the border options are gets changed. 1 minute, all of you hold on. Okay, so now we can do this formatting like this way. You can change the border style of this. Look at this, the border style gets changed. We can change the color of border style also. Okay, through this you can change the color of the border, and look at this, the color is going to change here. So this way we can do the formatting. So these are the different types of the formatting here, and these are the some conditional formatting we will discuss about later. There is a one more options that we are using for doing the formatting. And what is this option? I'm just telling you, that is known as the format cell dialog box. This is the format cell dialog box. Through this also we can do this. So format cell dialog box in the toolbar can be used to find more about formatting in a cell or range of cell. How we can open the format cell? We can open the format cell dialog box by pressing the shortcut key Control plus 1. Okay, or we can use we can open the format cell dialog box by clicking on this. Just select this any cell, go on the format, and then select the cell option. And look at this. The shortcut is given Control plus 1. Either you click on this option and it will open the format cell dialog box. Just wait. Yeah, it's started. Okay, or by pressing Control 1 also we can open this, or just press the Control plus 1, or by making a right click and opening the context menu and now selecting format cell option there. So there are three ways through which you can open the format cell. So now the format cell, whenever you look at the format cell, you will find the different types of the tab is there on the top of this. This is called format cell dialog box. Okay. So first is the category. We are getting here different types of the values are here. Values are categorized on the basis of their category for behavior. Okay. Or on the basis of the value you are written here. There's some general category, then number category, some user defined categories are there. Okay, some percent symbol category, you can decide how it will show the percentage. Some currency category, you can decide how it will going to show the currency. Okay, and we can change the default USD format here. This is the format is showing here. So we can select the INR. Let's wait, I'm checking INR. Yeah, this is the INR, and now it is the INR Oriya, Marathi, Malayalam, Mathili, Kannada, Hindi. So I'm going to select the INR Hindi. Okay, so this way we can decide this. The date format is there. Okay, so look at this, and now through this you can change this. And now the here is the decimal places also. Whenever you select the number, you can find out the decimal places options are available here. Okay, leading zero just spaces are here. Thousand separated, do you want or not? Negative numbers should be displayed in a red color. So this types of the options are available, and thousand separators I'm just here, and decimal place I'm giving the two decimal places are here. I'm clicking on OK, and look at this. And now I'm going to write the negative number. So look at this, it's automatically color gets changed. The color of negative number is automatically gets changed. Again, I'm opening the format cell option. So, and next is the font. From here also we can change the font. From here also we can change the style. From here also we can increase the size, and here you can change the language. Okay. So this is a Western text font. This is a CTL text font. So we can decide the different types of the fonts from here. This is the font effect. Now, if you want to apply some effect, you can apply the effect. You can increase the transparency. Suppose I'm choosing the font color this. I'm not giving the any transparency. It's a fine. Now I'm going on this and I'm writing the normal number here. Okay. And I'm making a right click here again and going on the format cell. And what I'm doing this time, I'm going to increase the transparency. So you can see that the numbers becomes more transparent. It's become lighter. Okay. I'm typing the 50 and then I'm pressing this and you can see that. So next is this. Again, moving in the format cell. There is the overlining and a strike through. You want these things, then you can apply single overlining or double overlining like this way. Okay, it's a line is showing on the above. You want a strike through, you want underlining. If you want to put some effects, you can put some effects, embossed, engraved, like this. You can view here. Then is the alignment is there. There is the alignment. So now we can decide the text alignment, text orientation. If you want to change the text orientation, you can change it. You can change the orientation of the text and text will appear like this way. Look at this. Appearance get changed. So we can do this through this alignment, and this is the horizontal. I told you there are two types of the alignment, horizontal, vertical, and so I'm just using center alignment and I'm using the top alignment, and now I'm pressing OK, and you will see because we have already changed the orientation, so that's why it's not showing the proper alignment here. You can change this, you can make it rectangle like this way. Look at this, how it's appear. So these are the options through which you can customize and change the direction of the text. This is a wrap text automatically. What is the meaning of wrap text? Wrap text means if the content is bigger the cell width, then text will automatically goes to the next line, move to the next line. This is the border. Now you can decide you want to give the border or not. You want this border, you want this types of border, only left and right border I want, only top and bottom border I want. You can change the color of the border to which color border you want, black or like. This is a background color. If you want to put something, you can decide the some background color for this. So I'm deciding the background color here and I'm saying the okay. And now look at this, the background color is gets changed. This is the cell protection. If you want to protect yourself, you can protect yourself. If you want, you can protect yourself. Okay. So means you can hide the cells. Only effective the current sheets has been protected means for that we have to protect our current sheet. Then only you are able to apply this cell protection here. This is the print option. Hide when printing. If you don't want to print this value, you want to show, but you don't want to show this value in a print, then in that case you can select this option. So these are the different types of the cell formatting features are available under the format cell. Do you have any doubts? You can please ask. If you have any query, you can raise your query. So now you understand how we can do the formatting, how we can change the number, how we can increase the decimal point, how we can select the number tab and increase the decimal point like this. Okay. Here it's shown that how can manage the number formatting. This is showing the number formatting, how you can do the number formatting. If you want to apply the some formatting features more than one cell, then before going to do the formatting, first select the all cell and then start the formatting. options are this. If you want to show the zero after this, like this, formatting a range of cell and be seen as a level, so we can convert it. Telephone number, normally what happens whenever we are using the telephone number, we have to put the zero in a start of the telephone number. But if you write the number value, then zero is not showing there. So if you want to precede the zero, then you have to convert that number in a text format, and then only you are supposed to be, it will be going to show that. So what you have to do, select the cell, click on the number tab, select text and click OK. And then you enter the numbers, then you are able to enter the numbers. You can convert the cell range as a scientific. You can convert as a date and time. Okay. So we can decide the date and time format also like this. Here I want to write the date. So I'm going on the format cell and I'm moving on this number and I'm selecting the date, and look at this, there are different types of the date format are available. I can write the date in this format also, and now I'm going to write the today's date 12/8/2020. So look at this, and now I'm going on this format cell. It's a 12/8/2020 and I'm going to show this date in this format. I'm saying okay, and it's why not is showing this format, I don't know, I have to check it. Oh, it's showing the output like this way and I have to apply. And there is some problem with this. It's not showing the data is proper way. I think I have not entered the date in a proper format. That's why. Yeah, now it's working fine. Means I have to put the date in a this slash format, not like a dash format. If we are using the dash format, then it's not counted as a date. It's counted as a normal label. That's why it's not applying. The different features are there. So this way we can change the formatting of this date format. You can show the date in this way. Okay. Formatting the display the times, so we can display the times like this way. So there are different formatting options are available. If you want to show the time here, I'm writing here 10, 12, only this much. So it's showing that 12 p.m. So I'm going to format cell. I'm selecting the cell and then clicking on the time. And now I want the time like this way. It will show the date also. It will show the time also. It will show the time in a 20 or 24-hour formats. It's not showing because the cell size is small. So I'm going to increase the cell size. And I think I will get this. Yeah, look at this. Okay, so it's showing the time because you have given only time, you have not given the date. So that's why it's taking the default date. It's not taking the current date. It's taking the default date. Okay, so that is about the formatting. Now alignment of cell, I told you how we can change the alignment. Actually, there are two types of the alignment is in Excel, because all the values are written in a form of the intersections of rows and columns, that is the cell. So cell is having the height also, width also. So we can align it horizontally and as well as vertically. So horizontal, there are two types of alignment, horizontal alignment and vertical alignment. Okay. So how many types of the alignment? There are two types of the alignment. One is called horizontal and second is called vertical. Horizontal alignment, if you check the horizontal alignment, you are getting the three options are there: left, right, center. And in case of the vertical alignment, this is the vertical alignment. This alignment is called vertical and this alignment is called horizontal. So this is the left, center, right. Okay. This is the top, middle and bottom. This is the top, middle and bottom. So two types of the alignments can be applied here. Okay. So now these are the homework for you. This just make this format, worksheet with the various format, use the number, use the levels, use the number with the decimal point. So just try to do this. And now there is a one more important thing. How we are going to speed up our data entry. Suppose you have to type the number from 1 to 1000. You have to type the number from 1 to 1000. So what we are going to do? Does we have to type the number? Means we have to write down the number like this way: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, no need to write the number like this way. We are going to use the power of fill handle. We are going to use the power of fill handle. So what is the fill handle? Fill handle is the tool. Fill handle is a tool that is used. Fill handle is a tool that is used to fill the next cell till you drag it with the next predefined values. Okay, with predefined values. Like this, if you're writing the number, it's fill that. If you're writing the days of week, it will fill that. If you're writing the month name, then it will fill that. If you're writing the some years, then it will fill that. If you're writing any types of the values, then it's going to fill that. Okay, so what types of the values are allowed here? Like this, for number series, you can use the self-fill features for the number series. We can use the self-fill features for the number series. Okay, number series means you can type the number. Consecutive, just you have to type the two consecutive numbers. So on the basis of these two consecutive numbers, it's going to find out the next number. Okay, for example, if I'm going to type here 1 and 2. Now look at this, I have 1 and 2, and now look at this, what I'm doing. This is the small rectangle here. This rectangle. Okay, this circle is looks like a circle. No, looks like a square. So what you have to do, you have to put your mouse pointer at there. Whenever you move the mouse pointer at this place, it looks like something different. First, select the both. After typing two values, just select the both. Then click on this and drag this. Then click on this and drag this. And look, that the value is automatically generated in sequence. So you can write any number. Suppose I'm writing here 6 here and then I'm writing here 18 here. Now what is this? There is two, the gaps of the two values. So what happened? It's going to create the number automatically. You can find out 6, 18. Okay, 6 and 18 minus 6, that is 12. 18 plus 12, 30. 30 plus 12, 42. 42 plus 12, 54. Look at this. Automatically it's going to generate the different values. Okay, so this is called fill handle. We can write the something else also like this. You can write here Sunday, sorry, SUN, Sunday, MON, Monday. And now I want the different day automatically. So what I'm doing, I'm just selecting this and then I'm clicking on this fill handle and drag and drop. And look at this. It's going to generate the series. And after that, because weeks are having only 7 days, so what happened after Saturday? It's again going to start Sunday. It's started like Sunday. Okay. So this way we can use the fill handle also. You can write the month name also, Jan. Okay, wait. JAN. You can write full name and you can write in short name also. So both are applicable here. Now I'm selecting this and look at this. I'm dragging this and you can find out. It's showing the month name. Okay. So this is called fill handle and this is the more powerful. So for what purpose we can use? We can use the fill handle for number series. For the number series, okay, you can use the fill handle for the different days. You can use the fill handle for the formula. Sometimes we can use the fill handle for copying a formula also. This is also the one of the advantage of the fill handle. You can use the fill handle for copying formula also. This is the one of the features. Okay, so copying formula means that you simply write the formula in a one cell and just drag the formula to the all other cells. No need to write the formula again and again. So it's better to type the formula again and again. You can just drag it, and whenever you drag it, it's automatically going to copy the formula there. It's automatically going to copy the formula there. So that is the advantage of the copy cell. So now I'm showing you, suppose, yeah, look at this. So I'm just deleting this all formula and there is a one formula here. So what I'm doing, I'm just pressing the mouse pointer here and dragging it like this way. So what happened? By using the concept of the fill handle, I'm working. But what happened? My calculations speed is becomes fast, automatically increase. Okay, so we can use the fill handle for copying formula. We can use the fill handle for generating different sequence and different series. Okay. Now we can use the copy and paste option also. That option is also available with us. We can use the copy and paste. So how we can use the copy paste command? We know Control C to copy and this is called fill handle. Observe this, and Control V to paste and fill handle of the cell, the small blocks, use of the fill handle for the copying formula. So how you can do this? Select the cell which contains the formula. Okay. Just make a right click there as I just show you here. So how you can do? Just simply write the formula here. Now this is the fill handle, drag it. drag it till where you want to drag it, and automatically you are getting the formula gets copied in another cell. You can find out here how it's working this way. Okay, so for today this one's enough. Now I'm going to end the class. So this is the practice session. You have to do this. Let us practice. This is given on page number 133, 122. So this practice session you have to finish it, and you have to make this chart like this way. Okay.